Welcome to our tutorial on creating a private list on Twitter using your PC. Let's explore the steps to organize your Twitter feed and connect with specific groups of people. To begin, navigate to the Lists option in the navigation bar on Twitter. Click on the Create New List icon located at the top to initiate the list creation process. Choose a name for your list that reflects the group of users you want to add and provide a brief description of the list to give context. Next, decide if you want the list to be private to keep it exclusive to you. Click Next to proceed to the next step in creating your list. You can now search for people you want to add to your list and include them based on your preferences. Once you've added all the desired individuals, click Done to finalize and save your private list. By following these steps, you can easily create a private list on Twitter using your PC. This feature allows you to organize your feed, stay updated with specific groups, and engage with targeted audiences in a more focused manner. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your Twitter connections and streamline your social media experience. Start creating private lists today to curate your Twitter feed and enhance your networking capabilities on the platform.